Welcome to the Easy Tech and Fixit channel, and here is the operating system look for December of 2019. So as we ended the year, of course, these are the positioning and the market share of the operating systems, the most popular operating systems around the world. Of course, Android at 40.47%, so 40.5% pretty much. If we look at November, it was 40.45%, and December, it's 40.47%, so it's pretty much stagnant. It actually stayed the same, so no real big change here. And this is, of course, the dominant operating system with all the Android phones and tablets out there. It's kind of normal that this is really dominant. Then we have the Windows market share that went from 34.95 to 34.2. Almost 0.75% drop for Windows around the world. So this is interesting considering that there's really not a change in Android much. Is it that there's a general decline in Windows usage over time? It's possible. If we look at the beginning of the year, Windows was at 36.08. It ends at 34.2. Seems to be kind of a decline here in Windows market share. The beginning of the year, 37.86% for Android, and now it's 40.47. So there's a climb. You know, we know that there's a lot of the younger generation that is actually removing itself from what is computers. A lot of the young generation, the millennials, actually use only a smartphone for everything, and they don't have a need for a PC. So maybe this is reflecting that trend. For the rest, iOS, which is the iPhones and iPads, 14.9%. That is sharply up from 13.6%. I guess a lot of people maybe have been getting iPhones and iPads. We know that iPhones have been selling rather well in the last quarter of 2019, so this is going to be interesting. OS 10, which is Mac operating system, at 7.2%. That is down also. Could be reflecting the same trend as regular PCs. And then we have Unknown and Linux, which of course probably has Chromebooks, but part of some Linux distros also might show up as unknown. We pretty much know that in general, Linux is around 2% of all PCs around the world. So if you put those two numbers together, it's pretty much 2%. So it could be mostly Linux stuff that's in there. But there's some Chromebooks for sure. So that's the look at the operating system market share for December of 2019. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.